Me too, I got it.
Awesome.
Dang. Hey, explain it. Explain it.
I got it in slow-mo.
Dang, I didn't use slow
I
mo.
gotta see it go back, you know?
Back. Close it up.
Come on.
Alright. Alright. That's good.
Dang.
Give us another one.
Give us another one. It's really slow.
Whoa! I missed it!
You get stuck in that. You're gonna be in two pieces.
That's new type of execution.
Go
Execution? What the hell's an execution?
Hey, chief instructor, say hello.
Hello! Execution.
Okay, we're playing.
Bring her down.
Yes.
Ready, set, go!
Go, go, go.
Go! Wilson! Okay.
Yes.
Damn.